No one is born with a food allergy. Food allergies develop over time. As I mentioned before, food allergies are multifactorial. They are a mix of your genetics and your environmental and dietary exposures early in life. If you avoid eating certain allergenic foods, like eggs or peanuts in infancy, then you don't train your immune system. If your first ingestion of these foods comes later in life, your immune system is more likely to treat them like an invader and cause an allergic reaction. Even though they're common in children, adults can develop food allergies too. Food allergies we develop as adults are sometimes caused by environmental, also known as airborne allergens. For instance, some adults can suffer from pollen food syndrome. They become sensitized to different pollen from trees, grasses, or weeds, and their immune system confuses certain proteins in foods for that pollen. Often, eating the food cooked rather than raw does not cause a reaction because cooking denatures or breaks down the protein and our immune system doesn't recognize it.